Welcome back to another video, guys. Alright, so today I'm gonna show you how I set up the backyard for my pre-book launch. So this is the finishing, and I'm gonna show you what the yard looked like before we did all of this. So I wake up in the morning and I feel fresh and ready to set up, and this was what the yard looked like in the morning when I got up. So I started do my decoration. I have these 4 backdrop that I made, 4 rose petal backdrop, which is a blue, a red, a white, and a pink. And I decided to, you know, put up all of them because the backyard is so big, and I wanted to kind of give it that buzz where it's kind of colorful. So I love colors, so it doesn't matter which loud color, I love them. So I decided to set up the backyard with the colors that I have, and I didn't have to buy anything. So I use what I already have in storage, in my storage. The blue, the yellow, I have yellow curtains, I use them up, and I have yellow and pink. All of these stuff, I already used them before, so I decided to just give the backyard a buzz with all the colors in different, like, you know, the white rose petal, I put white carpet. The red rose petal, I use red carpet, and I use red chair with white, and etc. I just use up the colors that I have to give the backyard a buzz. If you like it, drop it in the comment section. If you think I did a good job on setting up the backyard with my vision, I already have the vision in my head way ahead of time, how I want it to look, and I think I pull it off. Tell me what you guys think, if you like it. But I wake up and I feel like, okay, this is the morning that I'm gonna get up and do my book launch, pre-book launch decoration outside the backyard, because the time is getting cold and the weather is changing in the evenings. So I decided to do it outside, because I invite a few people, but not a lot, because it's the first I'm gonna speak in front of people and I don't know how that's gonna go. So I decided not to invite a lot of people just in case I flop myself. I'll tell you how that go in the next video. So I'm just doing this as the decoration video, so I'll let you know how the night went eventually with this pre-book launch. But guys, tell me what you think in the comment section below. If you like what I did, this is the book cover of I Wasn't Okay. And yeah, so my friend came to look for me. So that's the white backdrop. I print the book cover at Staples and decided to just pin them on the backdrop. And so when people comes, they would able to see what the book looks like. And it's easy title, easy to find. As you type in I Wasn't Okay, that will come up on Amazon, and people will see the book and able to get the book on the website or on Amazon, Barnes and Noble. The book is gonna be in several places, so you will be able to get the copy or the audio, the ebook, download it on your device or something. Alright, so yes, tell me what you guys think again in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video, share the video. I'm hopping over to the kitchen side now. Oh, this is the music. I'm gonna show you where the food is gonna set up. I did some finger food, and this is my friend. She's cutting up the fruits for me, the cantaloupe, melon, and pineapple, stuff like that. Blueberry, strawberry, and that's it. It's gonna be some finger food later on. So this is the setup of my pre-book launch. I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Tell me what you think in the comment section. If you think it was too colorful, what do you think? And this is me get dressed in the night and in the evening, because the book launch is supposed to be at 5. So I'm ready for I'm outside waiting for people to come. I don't like to be late, but typical Jamaicans are always late. You know, majority of us Jamaican people always late for any event. It's just simple, and I like it. I like the different colors because I already have these colors. I didn't have to go and buy anything. I just use it up in the backyard because it's so big, and I enjoyed it. So give the video a thumbs up, guys, if you like the video. Share it with your friend, tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel, and I hope you enjoy. Love you guys. Bye. See you in the next one.
Ooh.